Alright. We're hitting this motor up with some Zep industrial degreaser because I'm trying to see things and I can't see nothing while I'm working on it. So I don't know if you guys ever used yeah, the Zep degreaser. It is very strong. Something you don't want to use straight. You want to dilute it to the factory instructions. This stuff is good, but it's also very, very, very strong. It will take paint off. It will take any kind of stickers you have and just get rid of them. I mean, it's good, but if you put it on the wrong thing, you're gonna be sorry, because you're gonna get rid of something that you wish you didn't get rid of, like instructions or something like that. Trust me, I've learned the hard way. So try not to spray it on any sticker, man, like that, or anything rubber, because it's strong. I'm going to let that sit for about 5 minutes, because per the instructions it even says do not allow it to dry. But I can't see what I'm working on underneath there, so yeah, that sticker I probably messed up. Just saying. But I need to be able to see leaks. I need to be able to see any kind of cracks in the hoses, stuff like that. And this thing is so filthy, I can't. I'd like to place a parts order here pretty soon and get all the parts that I need. So here I am, cleaning away. Sorry for the camera here. I'm trying to look at what I'm doing and I'm not giving you guys a good shot. That's usually what I use. Stuff works great. It melts grease right off. I mean, you could just see it. It just comes right off. All right, let that sit for about 5 minutes or so, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the hose ready. So this is after like I said, just using the degreaser and not scrubbing anything. I mean, look how clean that is. Yeah. The metal looks really clean. Of course, degreasing does take your wax off, so this will have to be waxed and cleaned again. Not bad though for not even scrubbing it. I mean, everything turned out very good. I'm happy with it. So next thing I'll be doing, getting those crush washers ordered Checking this intake manifold, making sure there's no leaks, because it looked like there was a little bit of a bubble down in here, but I really couldn't tell. So now that everything's nice and clean, we'll be able to go across it and double check for any fuel leaks, oil leaks, etc. So, alright. I hope you guys follow along, and we'll keep on the project. Thanks for watching.